Let's edit the image with a prompt and see the results. It's heavily snowing now. This is insane. Now, she's taking a selfie with her phone and a beanie. How does it look? It's wow! Next, you can see the girl's facial expression stays the same in every change, which is good. Right now, remove the watermark in this image without dropping any quality. Free from watermark. Now make them 3D cartoon characters. You can see the changes in the Indian kids' girls' dress style. So here is Flux.1 Pro, best-in-class image generation. There are two options. First one is Flux.1 Pro, and second is Flux.1 Pro. You can edit images with Flux and make your work great. Here are different options to edit photos or images. See this basic object modification? Here you can edit any object in a photo or image, change colors, add or remove something. There are so many options here to take your image to the next level. See this? Something covered the face, which looked very strange. You can see the proper face of the girl. You can see she's taking a selfie on the road. Background visible in this image. Now see the same image converted to a snowing scene. This is excellent. See the drawing book? Something is written here with colorful text style. Enjoy replaced with BFL now. Here it's also possible to use visual cues to suggest where to make edits. Here's an example of adding hats in the boxes. Here, transform the man into a Viking warrior while preserving his exact facial features, eye color, and facial expression. Here you'll find convert to pencil sketch with natural graphite lines, cross-hatching, and paper texture. Maintains the original scene while applying the style. Additional background details become visible, including more cars appearing in the image. We'll go through Flux.1 and sign in with a Google account. Here, you'll get different edit options. Now edit this reporter girl image. She's looking nice now. I gave the prompt. Heavy snow. Change dress. Click arrow button. Let's see. Image is generating. See results. Make another change. Results aren't fine. All images different. Only first matches prompt. Extra arm holding mic. Hand corrections now. It's okay. Next image. Make 3D animation style. See results? Great! Line drawing image. Flux isn't understanding correctly. Hey, scenes are proper. Next, remove watermark. Select area. Remove, click. Results, fine. Now make colorful with prompt. Natural light color. From black and white. Change any image with this tool. Free credits here. Your turn to be creative. If this helped, please like, subscribe, hit the bell. Comment your favorite.